Got some straps, some tools, some more tools, starting fluid, seafoam, jump pack, and we're off for a little adventure. So here it is. It's a 2005 Kawasaki BRUTE FORCE 750, and we're going to have some fun with it. And by fun, I mean almost immediately get pulled over by the police for having it. Tough times for an ATV junkie when you get pulled over by the cops 5 minutes after you buy a quad. So I wanted to redo the audio for this explanation of what happened with the state troopers. So as I pulled onto the on-ramp, they were doing a basic kind of check of everybody going on, and I said I just bought the quad. They asked for paperwork. I said I didn't have any because my friend didn't know where it was. They thought that was a little suspicious, so they wanted to look for the VIN. So we spent about 10 minutes looking for the VIN. Couldn't seem to find it. Didn't have any other issues with me or my license, so after a bit they just let me go. No big deal. Fail. Camera ran out of memory, so it didn't get me coming down the ramp. Plow and plow frame. ATV with winch. Nice ITP wheels. Tires. Definitely gonna take a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I checked the oil. Good level, clean, no condensation. Gave a little pull on the pull start and it rotate. Motor not seized up or anything. So I'm gonna add a little foam of the sea. Hook up the jump pack and see what happens. And nothing happened when I connected the jump pack. Not even a little spark on the terminals as you usually get when you're connecting jumper cables or a jump pack. So I started pulling off body panels so I could take a look at all the wiring, fuses, everything, and see what might be going on. So I resorted to the Sawzall for the last little bumper guard in the front and one bolt connecting the plastic to the headlight assemblies. Hey, Snow Kitty, come here.